In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add and install brushes in Photoshop 2023. This is such an exciting way to expand your creative toolkit, and I promise it's easier than it looks. If you're ready to add some fresh, inspired touches to your projects, let's dive right in. First things first, we're going to start by opening up Adobe Photoshop. Make sure you're using the 2023 version so you have all the latest features and tools right at your fingertips. Once your Photoshop workspace is ready, let's move on to the next step, which is choosing the image you want to work on. Adding brushes can completely transform your design, so take a moment to select an image that you want to bring to life with these new additions. After selecting the image, navigate over to the toolbox. If you're not familiar, this is where you'll find all those nifty instruments you use to edit and create. Look for the brush tool icon, which is often represented by a little paintbrush. Make sure to click on it to activate the brush tool. This is essential for the steps we're about to follow. With the brush tool selected, the next move is to access the brush settings. You'll see a folder icon labeled Brush. Clicking on this folder will open the Brush tab, a panel where you can manage all your current brushes and add new ones. This is where the magic starts, as it's the gateway to customizing and expanding your Photoshop brush library. Inside the Brush tab, keep an eye out for a small, intuitive plus sign. Clicking this symbol allows you to either create a new brush or import an existing one. If you have downloaded a brush file from the internet, choose to import it. Brushes often come in .abr format, so ensure your brush file is compatible with Photoshop. Once done, your new brush will be added to your library, making it readily accessible for your designs. Now that we've got our new brush in place, it's time to let your creativity shine. Choose your freshly imported brush from the library you've just expanded and try it out on your image. Experiment with different strokes, sizes, and opacities. The beauty of brushes is they can transform the texture and feeling of your artwork, bringing new dimensions of depth and artistry. And there you have it, your new brush is ready to take your design projects to the next level. Feel free to return to these steps anytime you need to add more brushes or revisit the ones you've already imported. Remember, practice makes perfect, so keep experimenting and have fun exploring all the possibilities. Thanks for tuning into today's guide on adding brushes in Photoshop 2023. Happy creating